What's going on, Worldwide Web? It's your boy, Marlon Bennett. What's going on, beautiful people? Guys, I am super pumped and I'm super excited, guys, okay? Um, it's about 60 degrees here on the East Coast in Gaithersburg, Maryland, guys, and it's like 9:26 in the morning. And I don't know when you guys are going to be finding this video, but guys, I'm on my YouTube channel, and the reason I'm on my YouTube channel, guys, because I want to talk about or more about the ORU Marketplace, okay? And how you guys can actually start earning income, okay? Working from home on your computer, guys, doing the things you already do. Now, guys, if you've been on my YouTube channel, you know I told you a couple of weeks ago that my PayPal account was shut down. And of course, it takes a 90-day period for them to review your account to see if they're going to reinstate it. I don't know if they're going to reinstate it. I don't know a lot of the platforms that I'm affiliated with. They pay out through PayPal, so I'm in the process of trying to figure out how to get some of the money that's owed to me in different places, but that's okay, guys, okay? The initial reason I joined the ORU Marketplace was as an alternative, as a payment processor moving forward in my business, right? So that was the initial reason that I joined, right? But as you can see up here, guys, I just put this video up last night. I did a video, I think the day before, right here. And initially I put the video up from my particular sponsor, Michael Mansell, right? And so the reason I put it up, because I was excited about it, right? And I knew that this is a pretty cool payment processor. It's universal. It's used in over 95 countries, guys. And it's just really getting started. I think the initial launch was sometime last year, right around February. I'm not sure. But here's the reason why I'm doing this video. And this is the reason I'm going to continue doing videos on the ORU Marketplace, guys. In fact, this is where I'm going to be focused for a minute. And I'm going to tell you guys why. So today, guys, I've just been looking at videos on the ORU Marketplace, right? Not understanding the real potential of what's going on inside of this great network, guys. So that's why I put this last video over here. And I'm telling you guys, if you don't do nothing else, guys, set aside 20 minutes today or whatever it takes to watch this video. You guys have probably already seen the video from my sponsor, Mike Mansell. You probably already seen the video right here, me talking to you guys, okay? At the time, I think I had about 8 people come in under me at the time of this video. At the time of this video, 2 more people came in under me, guys, and I didn't do anything, okay? I mean, I put the YouTube videos up, but these people are coming in, guys, okay? Go ahead on, do your due diligence if you want to. Go ahead on, research the ORU Marketplace. But I'm going to tell you why you want to sit in and listen to this, guys, okay? Now, guys, when you go out and you get a brand new cell phone and you like it, or you go buy a brand new car and you like it, right? Or any service that you go anywhere, if it's a restaurant and you like the food, what's the very first thing that you do? You go out and you start telling other people about it, right? That's just the way that we are. We start telling people about something that we like, right? Now, guys, we just do that. Wouldn't it be cool that if you could get paid for telling people about something that you really like, right? And just by sharing it with them, okay? Look, it would be incredible, right? If every car dealership you went to, when you told somebody about it and they went and bought a car, everybody that bought a car, you made a certain percentage of the amount of money they sold the car for. It'd just be great. Okay. Affiliate marketing, that's what that is, guys, okay? But I'm not talking about affiliate marketing here, right? I'm not even talking about necessarily about direct sales, although there's a direct sale component in the ORU Market network, guys, on this platform. I'm going to leave this video. I'm going to leave all the links to all the videos I've done up to now in the YouTube video description area, and I'm going to encourage you guys to go watch every single one of them. If you subscribe to me on YouTube, go back and watch every single one of them, okay? Guys, back in the day, right, I used to work for a company, and some companies still do it. They had what they call profit sharing, right? Okay, what's profit sharing? Hey, every quarter, a total amount of the net profits that the company generated were distributed amongst the employees, okay? Hey, this was above and beyond whatever your paycheck was. Now, a lot of times, I think my biggest profit sharing check with that company was about $200. And you may say, that's nothing. But it's above and beyond what my regular check was, guys. It was gravy, okay? A lot of companies don't participate in profit sharing anymore, guys, because the big boys, the CEOs, they got greedy, guys, okay? And that's what's going on in the economy today, right? A lot of corporate greed is going on. But guys, that dynamic is changing where smart CEOs are concerned, because they know that it's better, right? It's going to be no more lucrative for them to start creating or implementing a profit share structure in their business models, guys. Number one, people are going to hang around longer, right? But let's go a step further, guys. Let's talk about why you want to be in a place like the ORU Marketplace. That profit sharing, that's really what it boils down to. 95% of all the revenue generated on the network, guys, is distributed amongst all the members in the ORU network marketplace. You guys watch the videos, you're going to understand it. When you really watch the videos, watch it again and watch it again, you're going to understand it even more. And again, guys, this place, this network is only going anywhere but up from here, right? You're going to hear more about it. Now is a great time to go in here and really get educated on what's going on with it. I don't care whether you go Google it somewhere else or not. I'm telling you to do it, because all of us, guys, network marketers, all of us affiliate marketers, all of us people who are in direct sales, right? Email marketers, you can call it whatever you want. You can label it any way you want to, guys. At the end of the day, we're trying to put some extra dollars in our pocket, right? That's what we're trying to do. We're trying to make a better lives for ourselves and our families. And then hopefully we want to do it in a smart way. Well, thanks to technology, guys, we can start working very smart. We can start laying that foundation in a place like the ORU Marketplace, where you ain't got to be paying a whole bunch of monthly auto ships, right? You can simply share this with other people. And let me show you why I'm super pumped up and super excited. I've not done anything else, and this is not a lot of money, $18, right? And you guys may be like, that's nothing. Okay, you can say that, guys, but I haven't done anything, okay? And as I went in here and I started going inside looking at what this actual marketplace has, I'm even more super pumped up and super excited about it. Here's why I joined, guys. Outside of the needed a new payment processor, I wanted, let me go here, guys. It's a Visa card, right? Well, that was just another perk for joining, right? Where is it? It's a Visa card in here somewhere, guys. And I already got that Visa card, and I showed you guys that Visa card the other day. And here's the cool thing, though. The money that you accumulate inside of this platform goes straight to, there it goes right there, guys, the ORU Visa Card. I'm going to click that. Now, I'm not going inside here because I already did this, guys. I already applied for the card and I already got the card, right? But let's just say I log in, right? And if it lets me log in, it does. If it doesn't, it doesn't matter. I already got the Visa Card. All monies that you accumulate inside of here, right? Okay, so I already got it. I showed you guys the other day. It's going to be on, go straight to that Visa card. Now, why am I talking about Visa cards, guys? Because a lot of you guys, a lot of people, I know I did it before, have prepaid credit cards or prepaid debit cards. And some people even have prepaid Visa cards, right? This is way better than a prepaid Visa card, guys, because number one, you're not going to be paying whatever. You're not going to have to just continually, there's an activation fee for these prepaid cards, you know, that you go out and get, or you can get them. And then it's a recurring activate, you know, after that year go by, whatever, you got to activate it again or whatever. You don't have to do that with this card, guys, okay? Once you have this Visa card and the money's going to go straight to it, you can use it worldwide, number one, okay? So perk number two. Number one, great payment processor in terms of an alternative to even Stripe or PayPal or any of the other countless payment processors you can have. Guys, I don't know what's going on with the payment processors, but they just crashing, man. People are closing up these PayPal accounts all over the place. I guess the banks are cutting. They're getting real stiff on people asking for refunds or whatever, so they're making the guidelines even harder. And so PayPal is just shutting people accounts down, guys. But let me show you guys something. Look, okay, because I'm going to leave the link for these videos in the YouTube video description. If you guys are on my list, you're gonna be there's gonna be a continue button on the video. You click this button and it will take you over to where you need to go. And again, guys, you better listen to, in this instance, Mike Mansell talk a little bit more about the ORU Marketplace, this universal payment processor. But let me tell you what I'm doing, guys, and let me tell you what Mike's doing first. Once you join, guys, Mike has it set up. This system, everything Mike does, he creates funnels for it, right? And he always got these great systems and stuff. But he got a rotator that you can get in absolutely free. Number one, I haven't even got in the rotator yet, guys. I'm already getting signups for this. And by the way, any of you guys who signed up on me now, I just found out how I can see your email. I just figured that out last night because I was looking for all the people who joined me emails. Guys, don't be afraid to reach out to me, right? You joined under me, right? And I'm giving this particular bridge page to everybody who's joining under me, which is why I'm on this page right now. Because when you join, guys, I created this page, right? When you join, you see where this continue button is? I'm going to click it. It goes to my ORU Marketplace. It'll still probably be in my back office because I'm on my site right now, right? But it will go to because I'm online, it's going to my account. But when you join, guys, if you want, and it's totally optional, but I'll build it for you for free. It's just a few clicks of a mouse. I will make this continue button redirect to your ORU Marketplace affiliate link, right? That's cool, right? But Mike also has a rotator that you're going to be able to get inside of, and you can put your link inside there. There he got the black Visa card there. He's holding it, right? So anyway, when you get on this page, guys, I'm going to leave this page in the YouTube video description. Again, if you guys are on my list and you're getting this, click here, right? Once you join, right, you'll be able to connect with us on Facebook. Man, the training inside this Facebook group, man, is off the chain. But anyway, when you want to go here to set up your traffic rotator and understand how to set everything up, do it, guys, okay? It's $24.95 to get started, then $5, I think, at 95 cents. A month after that, right? You get the Visa card, right? You get the new payment processor, but that ain't the tip of the iceberg, and that's why I got to come back and do more videos. But look, this is what I want you to really pay attention to down here. Once you've joined, guys, and contacted me, again, it's totally optional. I will create a free website, exactly like the one you're looking at right now, redirecting to your ORU join page. This page right here, right? Then when people join under you guys, all you do is come up here in your browser and you send them this link, right? Why do we want to do that, guys? Because, guys, you already got the rotators that Mike Mansell is going to be offering you in the background, right? Free to get your free, in the rotator, okay? Cool. You already got all that bonus training inside of the Facebook group. But as using this as a bridge page, right, guys, you can send this to people that you know, right? And tell them about it. And let Mike up here do all the explaining and everything. And when they join, and they click here, they join under you. You get $10 for everybody that joins under you, and then an additional $1 on your first level for everybody that joins under you, that joins under them, right? Or under them, under you. So anyway, and then there's also residual, I think it's 25 cents. Now, that may seem like nothing, right? But here's the thing, guys. I said you could make money doing the things you already do, right? Now, I'm not gonna even try to cover all this in this video. Guys, we got what we call ORU Social, right? Right here, right? It's ORU Social. I'm in the process of setting up my members area with some stuff because I'm playing around back there, as always. You can see the interface, guys. I already got I'm already started setting it up. Interface, pretty similar to Facebook, right? So anyway, guys, you can go in here and you can create followings and you can communicate people just like you were able to do inside of Facebook, right? This is a social platform. And every time you're in and out of here, guys, and you're doing something, right? Doing stuff that you normally would be doing anyway in other places, but now you're actually making money for it. That's all I'm going to say about this, guys. I'm going to tell you again, go to the actual video, right? If you haven't watched the latest video, well, this will be the latest video, but if you haven't watched this video right here, go watch it, guys. If you haven't watched this video right here, go watch it, guys. If you haven't watched Michael, well, you'll get to see this because I'm going to leave this one in the link. Guys, get super pumped up and get super excited, okay? Because when you talk about being able to get earn income for things that you already do anyway. Look, I'm just going to ask you straight up. What if all the time you spent on YouTube or Facebook or anywhere else that you go in terms of a social network, what if all the time you spent on there, and you guys know how much time you spend on these platforms, right? If you could earn a percentage of money just for being on the platform, just for being in the network, talking to people, writing posts, doing the things that you do anyway, right? You already doing the things. You don't have to do anything different than you normally do. Just change change that dynamic, guys. Okay, start getting compensated something for your time, right? Your time is precious, so why not? Even if it's pennies, guys. Now it ain't pennies. Okay, it's not pennies, guys. It seems like pennies. That 25 cents is 25 cents for a reason. It's gonna be explosive. They got a I'll do it in another video. I'll show you guys on the next video what I'm talking about. But again, if you're looking, you don't have a Visa card, right? This is a great place to get yourself a Visa card. Again, $5.95 a month. The money that you earn goes straight onto that Visa, guys. I was actually watching a video last night where a guy was actually he actually used it. I still haven't activated my card yet. There's no reason to. I'm going to. I got it quicker than I thought. I applied for it. If I apply for it the day that I joined the ORU Marketplace, I swear to you guys, I got it less than a week later. They say 5 to 10 business days. It came really fast, right? Anyway, I'm excited about this. I'm going to keep talking about it. I'm going to keep driving it home, all right? If you guys, particularly you guys who got that kind of time, I mean, you know, you look, guys, you got an hour a day, right? Not even that. Get in here, man. Imagine sharing this with your friends on Facebook. Just 1/3 of your friends on Facebook, guys. So now, instead of you guys just being on a place like Facebook, which is cool, right? But now you can bring them into a place like the ORU Marketplace, and they can actually start actually earning just for being in the marketplace, right? Just for being in there doing the things you already do. So you're gonna continue to see me doing these videos for a minute, and of course, I'm you know, you guys know it's almost spring, so you guys know what's coming up in springtime. You know, I'm going to do some really cool stuff, and I'm going to talk more about that in the video later on today because I'm super pumped and super excited about that. I want to get out of all the noise, right? So I'm going to the streets, guys, and I'm going to be doing some marketing out on the streets because that's what I like to do, right? If I'm not doing what I love, I won't love what I do. So anyway, guys, I'm going to say I'm super pumped up, super excited. I'm going to leave the link in the YouTube video description area. If you guys find me for the very first time, go on and watch the ORU Marketplace review with my sponsor, Michael Mansell. Watch all the videos that I put up on YouTube, guys. And if you don't understand it, that's okay. Don't worry about it. But for $5.95 a month, and what you're going to understand ultimately about this platform is going to be enough to get you excited, okay? Just get yourself positioned, guys. Do that. And when you do, contact me. I'm going to hook you up with a page that looks just like this with all your information on it. It'll be a great bridge page you can use when you start sharing it with other people. And that's not even, again, we're not even talking about the rotators. In fact, I'm looking at setting up my own rotator. I'm not sure about that yet, but I'm looking at doing that too. But anyway, I'll be back in another video, guys. We'll talk. I appreciate you guys being on the video. It's going to be 70 degrees out here on the East Coast, guys. So the next video you see me do, I'm going to be outside shooting a video just because I know how nice it's going to be. The spring ain't that far away. I love you guys so very much. Thanks for all you guys who joined me over the last couple of weeks, because I see you guys have joined me in different things. Let me say this. I don't ever want anybody to get inundated, right? Guys, we have to stay focused, right? It may seem like I'm doing a lot of different stuff at a lot of different times, but it's not that. You know, all I really basically talk about are automated marketing systems and sales funnels, lead and traffic generation. That's basically it, right? I talk a lot, you know, I do a lot of videos, but I love doing videos. But that's it. Stay focused, right? Don't ever get too much on your plate, right? Don't ever get too much going on at one time, because then you won't get the things you want to get accomplished, right? Just go at your own pace, right? Take your time, educate yourself, learn some things that you possibly, you know, you maybe you knew you never knew, right? It's fun, guys, okay? But I just want to be here for as many people as I possibly can, because I know how crazy it can get out here online sometimes. You know what I mean? We talked about that black hole. Anyway, I'm rambling. I don't want to do that, guys. Go down and check out the information, okay? I'll see you guys on the next video. As always, this is your boy Marlon Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.